Hi everyone! I've been taking care of your plants, the ones that you planted before we went on spring break in the little pots. Well, the seeds have sprouted and now they've grown into little plants, and I want to show you what they look like, and I'm going to water them right now, so come with me and you can watch me water them. Plants need lots of light, so I placed the plants inside where they can be warm. It's still winter out, or still cool out, and they like lots of water, so I've been watering them every day and keeping them wet, moist. And I also spray them. They like lots of water, and they like dirt, and they like light, and sometimes they need to be kept warm. And there we go. Here are your plants close up.